Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create email templates in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here on your dashboard, click on create a new, and then click on email template. Okay, and then we can pick from these starting points. That basically saves you time to set these up. You can of course customize these fully. So I'll pick this one as a starting point. Remember, everything will be fully customizable, right? So I'll just pick a classic one and let's work on our template. Now we need to add some content first. So you can go ahead and type in whatever content you want right here. So once you've typed this in, you can easily make anything bold, italic, let's say this one. So all you do is come here and click on bold. That's how you make this bold. So you click on this icon up here that makes it bold. You can make this italic as well. And if you want to change the color here, you can see on the right hand side, I can click here and choose any color that I want. I'll just leave this as a black. So I'll leave this right here. That's fully black. And then you can change the font size, line height, even the link colors, you can change those. Now I'll show you how to add an image. So you come here, click on the plus icon. You scroll down until you see image. So I'll add a logo after William Hunter. So there we go. And then you can drag and drop your image. So this is our logo. I'll drag and drop this right here. And then once that is done, you just select this and then you can reduce the width. So leave it at this size. Now scroll down. We'll put the alignment to the left. That looks perfect. And now you can just go ahead and change the name of your template. So I'll name this welcome email. There we go. And it gets automatically saved. So you can see, and now once you're ready, you can just come here, click on send, and click on email templates and just begin using your template. So as you can see right here, this is the template we had just created. It's really that easy to create email templates in ConvertKit.